Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve Cube Mixup 3. It is bit tricky, or let's say challenging, than Cube 1 and 2. Cube Mixup 1 is basically very simple. It has half circles, and in Cube Mixup 2 it is divided into 2, and in Cube Mixup 3 there are 3 pieces in half circle. So once when you scramble it, it can change the shape, and it can give you different orientation, and it can become challenging. So but it's tricky. So first we'll scramble it, and I'll show you how to solve it. We'll solve with 3 easy steps. First we'll solve this cube, and then we'll solve the pieces, and third step will be to solve to place the circles into its original side. So first let us scramble it. Okay, so now it has scrambled properly. So first step is to solve the cube. So we'll start with white. So I hope you know how to solve cube. So first we'll fix the corners with white center. So we have one corner which is in place, so we have to fix another corner, that is here. So we have fixed the second corner. Now we have to fix third corner. Where is third corner? Is here. Okay, so we can fix it probably from here. Okay, so first layer, all corners are fixed. Now we have to fix the centers. So here we have green center on top. We have to fix it to green side, since these are 2 green corners, so we have to fix it over here. So it is like down, down, up, up. So this is fixed. And now we have to fix red. So I am sure you must be aware that whenever we swap these two centers will also be swept. So now we'll swap these two, down, down, up, up. So this is fixed. Now orange. So this is the last step. Once we'll swap this two, this will come on top, and this green will come here, and this blue will come here, and all centers will be done. So down, down, up, up. So you can see all centers are done. Now we are left with top corners. So in top corners we will have 2-3 situations. One is all corners are placed properly. Second situation, you will have 2 corners which are placed properly and 2 corners which are not. And third situation is all corners are not placed properly. So in this case we have 2 corners which are placed properly. So in this case we have to do one thing. We have to place these corners in such a fashion that this yellow, this corner, the yellow side should be in front, and the top left and front right solved corner should be in this position, and we have to hold it like this, and we have to do down, down, up, up 2 times. So down, and please note that this yellow side should be in front of you, and this yellow side it should be on your right side. If you will keep the similar position like this. Yellow will be on left and this yellow will be on back side. It will not be solved. So please keep the situation or the position of solved corner like that, in such a fashion that this yellow should be in front. And now you have to do down down up up 2 times. So down down up up once, again down down up up 2 times. Okay, so now we have a situation wherein all corners are not solved. So you will find 2 corners, headlights, on one side, and we have to keep this headlight on left hand side. So both the side, yellow side should be on your left and one yellow corner should be on right. So this should be your situation, the position of the cube, and you have to do down down up up 2 times. So down down up up 1, again down down up up 2 times. So our cube is solved. Now we have to fix the circles. So this is very tricky. We have to solve the circles without disturbing the cube which we have solved. So now we have to find the pieces which we can solve in the same position. So we can do a setup move, but we can't disturb this cube which we have solved. So we'll check what all situation we are getting and how can we solve the pieces. So there are 2 types of pieces. One is corner and one is center. So center pieces are smaller pieces and corner pieces are bigger pieces. So what we can do is we can try to fix center and corner pieces. So now we can see we can fix this too. So we can take this out of the way and we can bring this back. So we have solved 2 pieces. Now we have to find one more corner piece to solve one circle. So we have to find one more yellow piece. Okay, so in this orbit it is not there. So what we can do is we can do a setup move if we can find any yellow corner. Okay, so we have, this is our setup move. So it was like this. So what we have done is we have moved this piece. So this is our setup move. We'll have to undo the setup move after solving this. So what we have one corner over here, yellow. So what we'll do is we'll bring this into this plane, and now we have to fix it with this. So what we can do is we can bring this, we can keep this space empty, and we'll place this yellow over this orange like this, and now we'll fix it. So now we can see we have solved one circle. So this is solved. So similarly we have to find the opportunity where we are getting this kind of opportunity and we can solve it. So we have one corner and we have one half, middle piece. So we can fix it. So this is fixed. We have another smaller center piece. So we can take this out. Okay, and please ensure that we should not disturb this circle which is already solved. Okay, so we have two blues. Do we have any other option? Okay, so let it be like this only. Now we'll find some other pieces where we can see. We have one center piece of orange and corner piece of orange. So what we'll do is we'll bring this okay, so this corner piece will not fit with this, so what this we should try with this. Okay, let's try with this if we can fix it. Okay, so this orange piece will fix with this corner piece, and now you can take this out and bring this back. Okay, now we have to undo the setup move. So please ensure you undo the setup move so that your cube should not get disturbed. Otherwise, I mean, you will find a parity at the end of the entire process. So please ensure you undo the setup move and keep your cube into solved position. Okay, now we have one corner and one center of red, so now we have to find one more corner piece of red. Do we have one corner piece? Let's see if we can fix it. So okay, we'll bring this into this position. Okay, so right, so we can bring this. So our second circle is also done. Now we have to fix third circle. So what we'll do is we'll take this out of the way and we'll bring this unsolved pieces over here so that we can place this, I mean, two pieces, and we can bring probably no, so these are into same plane, so this won't fix. Okay, so we'll have to find another corner for orange. Okay, let's try to do some setup move. So this we can fix it over here and bring this back, undo the setup move. Okay, we can try this corner also. So for that, what we'll have to do is we'll have to bring this unsolved pieces so that we do not disturb. Okay, okay, we have to find one more orange piece. So can we try this? Okay, let's try this if we can fix. Okay, now we can fix it. So this is fixed. Take this out of the way and bring this back and undo the setup move. Okay, now we have to fix. We have yellow corners, we have yellow center also. So this center we can fix it with this, and we'll bring this out, and now we'll try to fix with this, or probably can we try from this angle if we can fix it with this. Yes, so this corner will be fixed here, and take this, and now we can bring this back. Okay, so similarly we have to find such opportunities where we can, this green and this green center we can fix. Okay, and now we have to fix the, no, this won't fix. So there are, I mean, this corner and this corner we won't fix here, you can see this. So we have to find another corner piece. So okay, we have one corner piece over here. Let's see if we can fix it. Yes, this corner piece we can fix it. See, this is fixed. Bring this out of the way, and now undo the setup move. Okay, what else? We have this. Okay, so we have two pieces of white which are fixed. Let's find another corner piece of white that is here. Can we take this? No, this won't fix. From this side, can we do it? Let's try. No, from this side also it is not possible. So this is not the right corner for this side. Okay, so we need to find another white corner for this. Okay, so I think this, no, this is center piece. This and this corner, can we fix it? Let's see. No. Okay, so we need to find some other way to fix this, probably some other corner piece we need to check. So can we try from this angle? No, this won't fix. Okay, how about we can replace the solved piece with unsolved one. and we can, so that we can change the orbit of unsolved pieces. So let's try again this, if we get some options for white. Okay, we have one, but this won't fix, so let it be like that. We'll find some other pieces which can be solved easily. So we have two pieces which we can fix it with this. Okay, so this we can fix. Take this out of the way and back. So we have two white pieces. Now we have to replace with solved piece, and this is solved. Okay, bring this out. Okay, so similarly we have to try wherever it is possible to fix the center piece with corner pieces and make the half circles. Okay, what else? Okay, this corner we can fix with the center, or no, we can't, but we can fix with this, I suppose. So let's try with this. Yes, and we'll take this out of the way, so that, and now we'll try this corner also with this center. So if we can fix it, no, I think this won't fix, so let's try with this. Yes, this will fix. So you can see this raid is fixed. Okay, so now let's try to fix some other pieces. Okay, so this is our setup move. So it was like this, so we have done a setup move, and now we have one white piece which I think we can fix it. So yes, this we can fix it over here, and it is done, and undo the setup move. Okay, so now we have okay, now we have one corner, one center piece. So let's keep it here, and now we can fix it. Take this out of the way and bring this back. Okay, so we have to find one more yellow corner piece. Can we use this? Let us try. So first we'll position this piece, and then we'll have to position this yellow piece, but this won't fix because you can see it won't fix, so no worries. Undo the setup move. So always remember to undo the setup move. So what next? Okay, so from this angle, can we try or probably for this angle. Okay, now what we can do is we can replace some of the pieces with the solved circles. So like this piece we can solve with the solved circle. So unsolved pieces can be replaced with solved one, so that you will get an opportunity and the orbit will be changed. So there are more chances of getting new opportunities. Okay, so now let's try another angle. So okay, we have one corner of green and one center of green. So no, this is also corner and this is also corner, so we won't be able to place it. Okay, blue, so this blue, and okay, we have one, no, yes, we have one blue, okay. So what we can do is we can place it, our blue, into this position and bring this blue over here and take this out of the way, and now undo the setup move. So we have two blue pieces. Now I think we can fix it with this blue. So for that we need to change the position of this so that we can place it like this and we can fix it. So we have to strategize in each step. You can see it. Okay, what else we have? Okay, so we have one center and one corner, even one corner here also. So okay, take this out of the way. So we have two corners which are, sorry, two pieces which are done, and now we have one opportunity of orange to be done. So this is solved. Okay, what else? Okay, now what we can do is we have to find one blue corner piece, right? To and always try to keep the solved pieces together and unsolved pieces into one orbit and near to each other, so that you can replace it easily. Okay, so we have to find one white piece. We have to find we have blue pieces, so we have two blue pieces which we can fix it. Okay, do we have any another piece? Okay, we have one blue piece which I think we can fix it. So let's try this. We'll first replace it with this so that it is near to what we are thinking. So we have this and we can replace it. Okay, so this is done, and now we have to undo the setup move. Okay, so let's replace this. Can we get any opportunity for this white? Okay, so now we have this and we have this white, so let's see if we can okay, so now I think we can fix this. So it is fixed, and take this out of the way, bring it back, undo the setup move. Okay, so what else? We have two green center pieces. Do we have any other pieces? One blue corner piece. Okay, and let's bring unsolved pieces together. Okay, now let's see if we can place this. Okay, so I think we are done with blue also. So this blue is done. Take this out of the way. Okay, so what else can be done? Okay, so this can be replaced with the solved one. So always keep unsolved pieces together so that we can easily solve it. So these are the pieces which we can. Okay, this is our setup move. So it was like this, I think. Okay, so what we can do is we can bring, no, can we do it from this angle? Yes, we can do it from this angle. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 4 unsolved circles, half circles rather. So okay, now let's try to bring red together. So we have this red piece, corner piece. Okay, so this is done. Do we have another red? Yes, we have, but can we Yes, we can. So this raid will be placed here, and we are done with one more half circle, and undo the setup move. Okay, so slowly and gradually we are completing all half circles. So now let's finish this. We have two yellow pieces and one is here, so can we place, okay, what we can do is we can replace it with this solved circle, so that we can change the orbit and we can bring them to okay, this is okay. And now what we have to do is we have to bring this into solved one and unsolved one, and let's try to fix it. So this is done. Bring this back and bring this back. Okay, so what next? Do we have blue? Yes, we have one blue corner can be fixed with this, and we have this unsolved pieces which can be fixed. Okay, so this is our setup move, and we can try to fix from this angle, but we need one more unsolved. So what we'll do is first we'll align the piece, circles which are unsolved. So how can we place it? So we'll have to use the circles which are already solved. So if we bring this into this position, so we have 1 2. Okay, and what if we use again double setup move? No, I think we should not do it, or we can do it from here. No, okay, can we take, no, this is, I think we can't do it from this angle. So one two three. Okay, so now we have 3 unsolved half circles, and that can be placed in such a fashion that we can have 2 pieces together. Okay, so okay, and undo the setup move. Okay, so similarly we need to find such cases. Okay, so again let's find another options. So we have this two, or probably what we can do is we have this two and this can be placed here. So what we can do is we can replace it with this and replace it with this. So when we do a setup move, we will have 1 2 3 and 4. So this can be placed here and this can be placed here. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 and 4 in line with us. So what we can do is we can bring this over here and we'll try to place this green. No, it is not. So what we'll do is we'll bring this green corner and try to place it, and it is done. And okay, so green is done, and now we'll replace it with unsolved one. Now do we have any option blue, yellow and green, red? Okay, we have red one. So what we'll do is we'll bring this red. No, this won't fix. Okay, so we'll undo the setup move now. So okay, so from this angle okay, so we have 1 2 and 3. So let's see if we can fix any of the pieces. So this can be placed here, and now we have orange. So orange can we fix? No, we can't. We have white and green. So let's see if we can fix white or green. So we have two greens, two white. No. Okay, so we'll have to find some other options. Let's see if we can bring some more unsolved pieces with setup move. So we have this yellow and green and this green. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll place the green corner like this, or probably like this, and let's see, yes, and bring this out of the way. Okay, and do we have another option of green? We have. Can we place it? So first we'll have to place like this, and now we'll have to fix it, and yes, it is fixed. Okay, so this is fixed. Now undo the setup move. Okay, now what else? Okay, so can we align few centers? We have two unsolved centers. Now how can we bring another unsolved centers? So we have 3. Okay, so okay, this is done, and now let's see if we can place this as well. So yes, so white is done, and now undo the setup move. Okay, what else? How can we place this or align this? Okay, we have done two setup move. One is this and one is this. So this plus this. So we'll have to undo the setup move, both the setup moves, after solving this. So do we have any option? Let's see. Yellow, we have one yellow that can be placed, and no, it won't, it will not. Okay, let's try with orange. Let's separate orange, and if we can fix it. No, we can't, because this is also not the right one. Okay, so no. Okay, so let's undo the setup move. Okay, so we need to find some other options. So this is one. Let's bring this together. Okay, so we have 1 2, and can we place another option? No. So from this angle, can we place any option? No. We have one unsolved circle over here. So we have 1 2 3. Okay, so let's try to fix from here if we can. No. So we need to bring either this or this unsolved piece into this line. So what we can do is we can probably bring this over here, and can be placed here. No. Or how do we place it? Let's try from here. Can we place it from this? Yes. So what we can do is we can bring this piece and undo. Okay, so now we can try. We have some other pieces which can be placed. We have orange piece also, and we have this orange. So let's try this orange as well. if we can place it. We'll need one more option. We'll require one more option. To place it. Okay. Okay. So okay, now let's replace this. This is all, I mean, you need to strategize and you need to find a way how to bring all unsolved pieces together so that you can solve 1 2 3. Now let's try this. Okay, so now we have 1 2 3 and 4 unsolved centers. So let's try from this angle. We have orange one, so which can be placed here, and let's fix it. Okay, now bring this back. Okay, do we have any other option? We have this. Okay, can we? Yes, so this can be placed here and it is solved. Okay, now we have one raid also. So what we can do is we can bring this raid into this plane and place it over here, and bring this, sorry, place it over here and bring this, place it here, and done. Okay, so now again undo the setup move. Okay, so now we are left with 1 2 3. I think we are left with 3 unsolved, 1 2 and 3. Yes, 3 unsolved. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll bring this unsolved one in one line so that we can easily solve together. Okay, this is in one line. Now we have to bring this into okay. So okay, so I think we will have to first bring this up. Why I am doing this is I want to undo the setup move, and now you can see we have 1 2 and 3 unsolved circles are in line, so we can solve together. without any issue. So this yellow is fixed. Okay, so now you can see we have only two half circles which we need to fix. So these last two circles or half circles are very tricky, so I'll show you how to solve it. Okay, so now we are left with last two half circles. So what we'll do is we'll bring another, since we have blue and green pieces which are left, so we have one blue half circle over here, so we'll bring one half circle of green also over here, so that we can replace the pieces with each other. And what we can do is we can do a 3 cycle move and solve it. So okay, we'll have to keep this okay. So from this angle only we'll have to do it. So now we have 1 and 2. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to do it like this, I mean a half circle, and this solved one is should be in this position and this will be in this position. Okay, so these are corner pieces and here we have two center pieces. So we'll have to use a strategy wherein what we can do is we can place this corner will come here, this corner will come here, this corner will come here, and this green will come here. Okay, so it will be 3 cycle movement. This blue will come here, this blue corner will come here, and this green will come here. So it is up, take it out of the way, again up, left, take this right, down, take this left, and down. So it is 3 cycle movement we have done with this pieces. So you can see we have solved this too. So now we have one piece over here. So what we can do is we can place this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. Okay, let's first finish this. So up, left, up, right, down, left, and down, right. Okay, so we have solved one half circle and now we are left with one half circle. So how we can solve it? So we have to strategize now. Okay, so this piece will come here, this piece will come here, and this piece will come here. So this center piece will come here in this place, and this center piece will come here in this place and this will come here, so this will be solved. So it will be like up, out of the way, again up, down, and down. And now we can see both the circles are solved, and now we can bring the cube into its, I mean you can do undo the setup move. So all our circles are now solved. Okay, so now it is simple. We have to just place the circles into its correct place. So simply wherever you get the chance to place the pieces, you can directly move it. So this is simple step. The last step, I mean, of placing the corners of last two circles are bit tricky, but otherwise it is very easy. Now you can fix it. Okay, so this I am not explaining because it is self-explanatory. You can simply place the pieces wherever I mean their correct place. Okay, so what else? I think almost we have placed all pieces which are into its correct position. Now what we can do is we can do a setup moves. Okay, so we'll have to bring this we'll have to replace this first, and we'll undo the setup move. Okay, orange, this orange we can place into its correct position. Okay, this green we can place it into its correct position. This red we can place it into its correct position. What else? Okay, I think this yellow can be placed into its original position. Okay, I think we are almost done with the pieces. Okay, so we need to try different setup moves to fix the pieces. And what we can do is we can even replace it with other pieces so that okay, what else we can, yes, we can place it. Blue. Okay, So can this blue be, yes, this blue we can okay. So we are left with 1 2 3 4 pieces. Okay, how can we place it? Yes, this we can place simply replacing this pieces with this. So this is done. Okay, now undo the setup move. Okay, so now we are left with, yes, this can be placed. Okay, now we are left with 3 pieces. So this can be, no, we need to change the plane. Okay, can we try this from this angle? Yes, this can be placed. So we can place this. Okay, so now last 2 pieces we have to fix. Okay, so how can we fix it? Okay, so we are using 2 setup moves. One is this, so it is like this. So we have used, one is this and second is this, so that we have both the pieces in line and we can replace it. Done. So we have to now undo the setup moves 1 and setup move 2. So our cube is solved. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.